Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage annual fees with Bank of America. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To manage annual fees with Bank of America, start by logging into your online banking account. Navigate to the Accounts tab to find all your accounts listed. Select the credit card account for which you want to manage the annual fee. Review the details regarding your annual fee to understand its amount and when it is billed. If you're thinking about waiving the fee, search for any available options or promotions. Check if you qualify for a fee waiver based on your account balance or rewards program. Consider contacting customer service if you need clarification on waivers. Call the number listed on the back of your card for immediate assistance. Explain your situation and ask if there are any options to reduce or eliminate the fee. Make sure to have your account information ready during the call. If applicable, inquire about switching to a no annual fee credit card. Evaluate the benefits of maintaining your current card versus switching. If you decide to switch, follow the instructions provided by customer service for the transition. Once everything is settled, keep track of your annual fees in your account settings for future reference. Review your card benefits periodically to ensure you're maximizing the value of your card. Set reminders for when your annual fee is due to avoid unexpected charges. This proactive approach will help you manage your annual fees effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.